Using Harmony tools in Earthdata Search. Earthdata Search includes options for customizations. In Earthdata Search, some LADS DAC datasets are customizable prior to downloading. Customizations can include temporal, spatial, and variable subsetting. Other customizations continue to be added. Data users customizing their data downloaded from Earthdata Search can utilize these two types of customizations provided through Harmony tools: subset band name and geoloco. More information is available about other Harmony tools on the Earthdata website. Subset band name is a service capable of subsetting HDF4, HDF, EOS2, SDS variables by band name, reducing the size of files that are downloaded. Band names are differentiated by different wavelength ranges, and a complete list of band names and corresponding wavelength ranges is available from the Modis Characterization Support Team. Geoloco is a service capable of reprojecting, resampling, regridding, and spatial and SDS subsetting HDF4, HDF, EOS2, SDS variables. The wrapper also retrieves the geolocation file name from the input file core metadata and downloads it from S3. To access these customization tools, first visit Earthdata Search at search.earthdata.nasa.gov. Once at the Earthdata Search interface, click on Customizable under the Filter Collections menu on the left. If you are looking specifically for LADS DAC data, you may also filter by organization. Simply expand the organization menu, also located under Filter Collections, and select Level 1 and Atmosphere Distribution System. On the right, all available customizable datasets will appear under Matching Collections. Click on the data collections that you are interested in downloading. The granules available to download will then appear. Once the granules that you would like to select are identified, click on the green plus sign to add it to your download folder. Once all of the granules that you would like to download are in the download folder, click on the blue Download button. If you are not already logged in to Earthdata, you will be directed to the login screen. Enter your username and password, or create an account if you do not have one already. On the next screen, under Edit Options, select Customize with Harmony. Then, under the Select a Service and Customize options, open the drop-down menu labeled Choose a Service. This will reveal all available customizations for that data product. Select the customization you wish to use, then click the blue Done button. Finally, click the blue Download Data button. You will be redirected to an Earthdata page that shows your download progress.